Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about how to prepare yourself to enjoy the year 2023. I know many of you are looking forward to traveling again, and I'm excited to share some tips on how to make the most out of your trips. First things first, before you go on any trip, it's important to have a plan. Decide where you want to go, what activities you want to do, and how long you want to stay. For me, I love exploring new cities, so I always try to choose a destination that has a lot of history, culture, and great food. Last year, I traveled to Barcelona, Spain, and it was one of the best trips I've ever taken. From the stunning architecture of Gaudi to the delicious tapas and paella, there was so much to see and do. But how did I choose Barcelona? Well, I did a lot of research beforehand. I looked up travel blogs, watched YouTube videos, and read reviews on different travel websites. I also asked friends and family who had been to Barcelona for their recommendations. After gathering all the information, I made a list of the top things I wanted to see and do in Barcelona. Once I arrived in Barcelona, I hit the ground running. I visited all the famous landmarks like the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. I also tried all the local food, from the famous patatas bravas to the refreshing sangria. But it's not just about sightseeing and trying new food. It's also important to take time to relax and enjoy yourself. One of my favorite memories from Barcelona was spending a day at the beach, soaking up the sun and enjoying the beautiful scenery. Another tip for enjoying your trip is to immerse yourself in the local culture. I love visiting local cafes and chatting with the locals to get a feel for the city. It's a great way to learn about the history and traditions of the place you're visiting. Overall, traveling to Barcelona was an incredible experience. By doing my research beforehand, I was able to make the most out of my trip and create unforgettable memories. So my advice to you is to plan ahead, immerse yourself in the local culture, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or travel tips of your own, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos like this one. See you in the next one.